Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can disable your Discord account. Before I show you that, please log into your Discord app. If you are on your computer, the steps will be pretty similar, but if you want a tutorial for desktop, PC or Mac, go to the description below of this video and click on the link there. So I'm going to show you how you can disable your account. Go to your profile. Now you need to choose my account. You need to scroll down to the bottom of the page and just choose disable account. Now you have to input your password and just tap on disable again and your account will be disabled. If you want to learn how to reactivate your account, check one of the tutorials on the website, for which the link is in the description below. And for those of you who are interested in difference between disabling and deleting account, if you disable your account, you will be able to restore your account at any time, and you won't receive during the time when you are disabled, you won't receive any notifications, but you will still be able to receive friend requests, which will show up after you reactivate your account. And if you choose to delete your account, you have 14 days to reactivate it. If not, everything will get erased and you won't be able to restore that account ever again. So if you're thinking about using the Discord again in future, disabling your account is the right choice. If you need any other tutorial, just post a comment in the comment section below this video, and see you in the next one.